Today's maths focus is 10 frames. So we have a 10 frame here. Our 10 frame has 5 gaps on the top, 5 gaps on the bottom. Now you can fill them in any way, but we find it's helpful to start at the top right and move along the top, fill out the top, and then fill out the bottom row. So I'm going to give you an example of counting up to 10 using a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can tell it is 10 because my 10 frame is full. Now we can also use a 10 frame to help us count on. So I know that because my top row is full, that is 5. So instead of starting there to see how many I have, I'm going to start here. So 5, 6, 7. So I know that I have 7. So a 10 frame is a nice way of helping to count. If I filled it in a more random way, it'll be harder for me to count. So it's harder for me to see how many there are here. I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can count them using my one-to-one correspondence. But if, with those same 6, I filled them up in our order, I could count on from 5. Because I know that top row is 5, 6. So it's a much easier way of seeing our numbers. The last thing I'm going to do is show you an addition problem up to 10. So here I have my yellow and my green, and I can see that they add up to 10 because my 10 frame is filled. But I'm going to try and find an addition number sentence for this. So I can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 green squares. So using this 10 frame, I can see that 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now you don't need to equal it to 10. You could equal it to anything up to 10. So here I can see that I have 2 missing. So I'm going to count backwards this time from 10. 9, 8. So I've got 8 here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow squares, 1, 2, 3 green squares. So I can say that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. These are some of the ways that you can use a 10 frame. Now here I've just got some challenge questions for you. Can you see how many different coloured circles there are in each of these questions? And can you fill in the number sentence that they represent? Good luck.